What is up, guys? Today we are at Universal Studios. We are gonna try to find out what we can do when it's just me, Tiffany, and Richard. Richard, hi buddy. He's gonna cause as much trouble as humanly possible, possibly get us kicked out of this place, and we're gonna see what we can actually do at Universal Studios. We know Walt Disney World is full of stuff with toddlers, but we wanna see how actual fun it is when he can't see what rides there is and what you can expect. He's already screaming, so let's go. When me and Tiffany first started coming to theme parks, it was just us, so we could do whatever we wanted. But now, we got Richard to think about, and he's not allowed on every ride because he's short. He's hardly rode on any rides. And there's not really a lot for kids here. There's a few things that they can do. So it's kind of knocked out that whole idea that even me and her could ride a ride together unless we all ride. You know, we could do child swap, but the idea of us getting on the Mummy together or something like that, it's not gonna happen, so we're gonna have to ride them individually. And I know a lot of the other YouTubers and stuff, they're all really happy-go-lucky all the time. I'm not gonna lie to you, that sucks. They're gonna walk up and say, oh, child swap works perfectly. Well, everybody knows that, but...
It does work, but with rides, sometimes you wanna ride with who you came with.
Yeah, sometimes you wanna do stuff together, but that's part of having a toddler here. So what we need to do is try to find a way to make up for it. So we're gonna miss out on that experience. But let's see what some experiences we can have with Richard. It'll make up for it. So we figured something for all of us, mainly for him, to have an animals actors show.
Yeah.
So there's gonna be animals there, and we figure, sit down. We figured that would be a good idea for him to entertain him, but we got to get his shoes on first because we're going through a stage that we don't like shoes or socks.
As soon as we put them on, he takes it off and throws them.
So if you're walking through this park and you find a child's sock, it's probably Richard's.
Probably.
We'll send an address so you can send it back to us.
Hi. You want to pet the dog?
Richard wants a paddle. No, he can't go down, buddy. You don't understand why they won't let him down.
Maybe we can pet it later.
It was really fun. I really liked that show.
That show was really cool.
And Richard's attention span kind of went up and down.
Yeah.
Like when...
It's tripped over him.
Everybody's seen it. He was kind of like in and out with it.
Yeah.
When there was a lot going on, he really liked it. And then like when it started slowing down or a small animal he couldn't see, he lost his attention. But if you got a 2-year-old, I'd definitely give the show a try because me and Tiffany really enjoyed it. I don't know how they get the animals to do all that.
No, they have a lot of animals in that show.
Yeah, it was really fun. So that one, you with one of these, give it a try. So there's a character party going on with Diego and Dora the Explorer that we think he'll like, but we don't really let him watch Dora the Explorer because they kind of explore and we kind of explore.
Ladies and gentlemen,
they're kind of like a competition.
Our biggest friends would love to meet you, so
we don't let
stick
him watch the
around,
competition.
and they will be with you shortly.
Dance, buddy. Yeah, did it. party was really a big hit with Richard. Hurts us. We want to be the only explorers in his life.
Yeah.
But they was respectful to him and he really liked it. So, what'd you think of Dora?
Good.
It was good? Cool, buddy.
Okay, so we just got one of these cups, and this one has special design for annual pass holders. But you can buy any of these kind of reusable cups here to the parks, and I think they're like 18? Yeah, $18, and then it's free refills all day. And I think if you bring them back, it's something.
Like $4 or $5.
Yeah, it's like $4 or $5 for a refill. The only downside is they give paper straws. And if you have a toddler like mine who likes to chew the straws, he literally eats them and pulls them apart. So we like to bring our own plastic straws or reusable straws that he can't just eat.
Yeah, he eats straws. And what's cool about these is they got these machines set up all over the park, and there's like a little chip inside the bottom of the cup that it reads it. If you look down here at the bottom, it reads the chip. So they just reset the chip every time you come, and it's a you mix Coca-Cola machine, so you can have whatever you want. And I think it's 10 minutes in between refills. Yeah. Dance, buddy. Yeah.
Man, he was doing a step. He was doing a step over there. I was down there. I said, I got to go talk with him. I go dance with him. There wasn't nobody dancing with him, so I said, I'm going to come over here and dance with him.
Dance with him, son.
He was doing all right.
Dance, Richard.
Come on, Rick.
Get it.
Come on, Rick. There we go. Yes, sir. That's all right. That made my day. Now I can work fine until 9 o'clock.
Yeah, well, for everybody who didn't know, apparently that's not the only infection going around. Richard's dance is infectious. He got people dancing with him.
Did you hear what that guy said? He said that made his day. Now he can work till 9 o'clock just fine.
We got Korean beef tacos from Bumblebee Man's taco truck. It's playing Mexican music and serving Korean tacos. Let's taste them and see if they're good. I don't know, it looks kind of watery at the bottom. Now I'm like,
Scared a bit?
A little bit.
Richard, come over here. Come here. Want a bite? He fell.
Kind of watery to a point. And to be honest with you, the meat, it tastes, the flavor's good, but it kind of has a texture of like they cooked it with beef jerky.
Richard, come on, Mom.
Like it's tough. This is what we do. He runs around. We usually edit this out, but we're not gonna because, yeah.
It's time you know the real Richard.
Yeah. And I got news for you. Every other YouTuber's child, just like this. Every other 2-year-old is like this. We just don't do Itchard. We just don't edit Itchard out. We let Itchard be Itchard on camera. What are you getting?
I'm getting the Krusty Burger.
Krusty Burger? None of it looks like it's written good. You got pies up from Luigi's. We'll get some Cletus's chicken. Is it good? Is it the best pizza you ever ate?
No. It tastes like fake, you know, theme park pizza.
We'll get into the Krusty Burger. After this, we're gonna go ride a ride. A ride for us, or? Oh, we're gonna try the 3D thing for Shrek.
Shrek 3D, if they'll allow him on it.
Yeah, we're gonna go see if they allow it. I think they will because it's a theater, but you know, weird rules, so. You wanna go ride Shrek?
Truck ride?
Yeah, truck ride it. Okay, cool. We're getting on Shrek. Doing anything special with him in here? We're gonna check it out. I don't think they'll allow cameras in here, and we'll let you know afterwards. But I think we're good. So, That was terrible. All right. Thank you. The ride was fun. Richard hated it. Richard, what'd you think of the ride?
Yay!
That's a lie. He kept saying done, done, done in the middle of it.
It kept saying off.
Yeah, and off.
The TV off.
So that ride was a little frustrating to ride, but now let's try to do like a parent swap thing.
Okay.
Fast and Furious, because neither one of us has ever rode it before. What's your reservations about it?
I don't want to.
See, this is the only bad part about bringing just like your family. Like, this is the bad part about bringing your family to a theme park.
Yeah.
Bring your girlfriend.
Yeah.
No, this is the bad part, is because we don't get to ride together. You know, we don't have nobody else with us. So this is something to keep in mind. We're going to do the child swap, and it's going to be fun. It's not the worst thing in the world. But that experience of me and her riding a ride together probably ain't going to happen. So I guess the idea with child swap is, the way they do it, is we go directly, wait in line together until we get right before we get on the ride. And then one of us get on and the other one sits with the baby. So we actually, you just wait in line like you normally would. And then before you get on the ride, that's where you do the swap. So, yeah. So it might be easy for us because he's a little sleepy.
So Richard just got in line to get on the ride.
Riders should expect sudden and extreme movements.
And me and this guy are going to sit in this child swap. Wait till he comes back. Then next, it'll be my turn, and then Richard will sit with Richard. Say have fun.
Have fun.
Dada.
All the way across the road, filling in
Have fun, Dada.
I'm back. Richard's ready to... Tiffany's going to ride the ride, and me and Richard's going to hang out in here. I don't know if she showed in here or not, but there's a lot of cool stuff. So the way it worked out, Tiffany has to ride the ride completely by herself. And she has no idea how it works. Like, she has to ride it completely by herself. See her there? He's just alone. She's gonna freak out.
Wow!
Stop.
That's all I got to say. I don't think I've ever seen anybody except my boss ride this attraction by themselves. How cool is that? Now, do me a favor, I need you to stay seated, and I'll come get that door for you there. What was that?
She's so embarrassed that he's talking to her.
That's it you wait for, look.
Yeah. How was it by yourself?
It was kind of scary just being alone.
It's funny.
That was the oddest experience ever. Not only did I have to ride by myself, but completely
Completely You look like you was on a literal bus at the last stop. You don't look like you was on a ride. You're just sitting there wrapped around the corner minding your own business.
That was the oddest thing I ever did in my life. That was just really weird.
Yeah, that was really cool.
It was really cool though. I think that was probably once in a lifetime experience.
Yeah.
He just said his boss is the only one who ever did that.
I'm gonna hand my purse. Your purse? I think this belongs to you.
Thank you.
Let's go get a stroller, start heading towards the gate, and start talking about how we feel about the day, alright? So many people is hitting their car alarm because they forgot where they parked their car. So many people. Or it's a rough neighborhood. Might be a rough neighborhood. Okay, my feet hurt.
Mine do too.
So, I know what you're probably thinking. One, we didn't do that much. And two, like, it was kind of like a little hodgepodge of a day. And that's what you get when you go with a toddler.
Yeah.
We got to do stuff for us, but all you guys parents know, so many people hitting their alarm. Remember where you park. When you come here, remember where you park. They make it so easy. Just remember where you park. We didn't really, you know, we did what was best for him, and we snuck some stuff in for us. And you know, he got tired through the day, he got preoccupied with other things, and that's what it's going to be. And when you come to Universal or any theme park, that's what it's going to be.
That was big lightning.
That was very big lightning. A lot of things are happening right now.
Yeah.
You got anything that you want to add?
I think it was definitely fun. It's definitely worth it, even just, you know, 2 adults and 1 toddler. There's a lot to see and do. There's lots of stuff for him to enjoy and for us to enjoy. You just gotta make the best of it.
Yeah, no matter what you're at a park. And guys, this is time that you don't get back.
No.
And see what I love about our YouTube. If you like our channel, like and subscribe. But what we love about our YouTube is this day is ours forever.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We love that. As long as we have our channel, he'll always be that size and we can always look at him and, you know, have this day.
Yeah.
So we appreciate you, you know, being here while we've, you know, shared a little bit of our time with us. And like I said, if you want to see more, hit that like button, maybe subscribe. And I'm Rich.
And I'm Tiffany.
And this has been How's My Living?